All right, if you're not in our district and you're looking at the screen ahead of you, what you're looking at is Class Link. And if you don't use that, don't worry, this video is not intended for you anyway. But thanks for tuning in regardless. For those in the district, we're going to take a look at the My Files option. If you're working off a laptop, and most every teacher should be now, you'll have access to the My Files. And why this is not a good option for you is because it's cumbersome. It's very archaic in how it operates, is that you have to open up the My Files. You get into here and you get into seeing your home folder and any shared folders that we have. Then you have to download the file, work on it in the program that you want to work on it, save it, and then re-upload it later to the server. That is not very conducive to file folder management. Same thing with Google Drive. As I have files on my Google Drive, I would have to download like a Word document, open it up in Word, save it, and then re-push it back out to the cloud. A better option is using the Google Drive app or the Microsoft OneDrive app found on your computer. And I have links to both of those in the description below. Make sure you check those out, as well as the end cards. Now, how cloud services work on your Windows or Mac is based on having the client installed on your computer. On the left-hand side, I've got my home drive pulled up, my home folder pulled up, and I can see all the folders and files within this drive. On the right-hand side, I have my Google Drive, appropriately named the G Drive. Thus, I can see all of my files and folders out in the cloud from within my File Explorer. As I scroll down, I created already a folder in here called H Drive Carryover. If I wanted to efficiently work with my files from a laptop, so I can be at home or I can be in a hotel and working on things, I can safely and securely highlight all of the contents in my home folder by doing Control-A on the keyboard and dragging them into my H Drive Carryover. Now, I'm not going to do that right now because I've already actually done this, but it'll take a long time to upload files and folders if you have a lot.
There's too many of them.
If you've already watched my OneDrive tutorial, it works similarly to Google Drive, and it's very easy to access. All I do is simply click on OneDrive, and I can do the same thing. I can click and drag all of the contents of my home folder that's on the servers, the school servers, and drag them out to the cloud. Then I've got full 24/7 access to all of my files from my laptop, and I don't have to worry about being on premises to access those files and edit them. Hopefully that explains a little bit about how files and folders work out in online storage, aka the cloud. And hopefully that sums that all up. As always, if you like this, hit the thumbs up down below. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way when new content is pushed out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day.